Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Libertex customer support. If you're having issues with the Libertex app or your account, I'll show you how to contact Libertex support quickly on your iPhone. The easiest way to help is through the live chat. First, you need to go to the Libertex app, and over here on the bottom right we can see the three dot icon. Tap on the three dot icon, and over here scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this live chat. Tap on the live chat. Over here you can directly send a message to the Libertex and select send us a message, and over here this lets you talk to a support agent in real time and usually gets the fastest response. And if you prefer email, send your issue, go back and scroll a little down and you'll find this email us icon and tap to email us. If you prefer email, you can select this email us, and over here you can type down your account email, description of the problem, screenshots of any error or app screens, your app version and the iPhone model, and this makes it easier for the support team to help you quickly. And that is it. Now you know how to reach Libertex support anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble contacting Libertex customer support, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.